Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Today I'm going to show you how to recover your balance. So what I did, you know, I I sent a proper mail to bittrex.com about my issue. My issue was um, I sent my burst coin balance from csex.com, which is here, to bittrex account. Okay, and my my balance was not received by my Bittrex account. Okay, so I tell you in the proper explanation. So I made a first coin transaction on December 16. Okay, from my csex .com account to Bittrex account. In the csex.com there was no encrypted message. Okay, so in the burst account, I copied my burst receiving address just like that. Okay, and I copied my address and I paste the address to csex.com account. Okay, now what is the issue here? What just happened? In my burst account there is only in my Bittrex account there is only address, this receiving address right here, and and on the top of that there is message. But the problem is in the cstax account there is no message option. So I thought it's okay if I did not put any message in the transaction, which was a big mistake. So because of that mistake I lost my burst balance. Okay, so I copied this message and then I paste this message in my csex account for sending this for sending the balance. Okay, but the problem is the transaction was successful. Okay, I can see the successful transaction of burst coin in the burst coin blockchain, but after waiting several days I did not receive my balance. So what I did is I raised the ticket to Bittrex support team regarding my issue, and I waited for approximately more than more than 1 month, near about 2 months. I wait, and then finally I received email from their account from their team, and that thanks for providing the requested information. This ticket has been elected for a manual credit and will be processed soon. So after few hours, I checked my Bittrex account. So my burst balance was there. They successfully processed my balance, as you can see here. Here, my burst coins are there now. Now I put the order for sale. So I tell you what is the how to write the proper um, email, or how to raise the proper ticket so you can recover your balance. Okay, so my first ticket was raised on December 7, which is after 24 hours after the transaction. Okay, but this did not help me to recover my balance. Okay, I waited several days but did not help. So what I learned after so much of research, that I did not send them my transaction details or rest of the information. I just send the what was message and what was my deposit address. Okay, I sent only this. this information which is provided here. Okay, then what I did is I go to the Burst Coin blockchain. Okay, I wait, I show you. Oh, I went to my Burst Coin blockchain and I go to the Explorer. Mm, let's try a second one, third one. Okay, sorry for the slow internet. Yes, now click here with the with your receiving address. Okay, and search. You will find the transaction. So guys, what you have to do is you have to copy all this information. This is the transaction number, I think, account account number of that transaction number. Okay, this is this is the deposit address. Okay, wait, it's not that. uh, I have transaction link actually here. So as you can see here, this is the actual transaction number which is found on my exchange on Bitrex or csex.com. So I send them the transaction link. Okay, after I copy pasting all this information regarding the that transaction. As you can see, this is the transaction number, sender address, receiving address, amount of the burst coins which was lost, the block number. Okay, everything the which is shown here, signature, full hash, signature hash, everything I copy pasted to them. Okay, why I did that? Because they told me to send me the proper information, that transaction, so I can process. So I got email from the from Mr. Dorian, which is uh, customer support officer there at that time. So he sent me, sorry for the delay, can you please copy paste the transaction ID so I can locate your deposit. I see you provided the message and wallet address which is in the first ticket that I showed you before. If you can provide the transaction ID, I have better luck locating your deposit. So I understand what is his requirement. So I everything he needed I sent him by the another by the reply. I said, dear sir, as per your requirement, I'm sending all the transaction details I have. Please help me to recover my deposit balance into my Bittrex account as soon as possible. So all the information that I have in this uh, particular transaction which I made that day, I copy pasted that transaction to him, and I also send him a transaction link so he can uh, see the complete information and process my account. Okay, then after giving him all the information, then I received this. Thank you for providing the requested information that this ticket has been escalated a manual credit and will be processed soon. So after receiving this reply from them, I was so much happy. So today in early morning I checked my Baytrex account my burst balance was there. So thankfully, thanks to the BitTech support team, after even after so much delay, they are able to process my account, process my balance into my account. So that's what you can do if you did not provide the message, tag, memo, or everything necessary in the transaction. So you may lost your funds. Okay, so there, what is the suggestion is, okay, the whenever you make transaction, okay, make sure you properly put message, tag, payment id or memo in the message, payment memo in your transaction. Okay, so if you don't have, for example, in one exchange you don't have one of these option, just like here, which is the mistake I made. I did not, I just ignored that. Okay, and because of that I lost my funds. You have to be careful, guys. So if you want to see that you can receive the transaction or no, just I give you advice that you only send few coins. Okay, just if you have just like me, if you have if you before sending 43,000 of burst coin, you just make 100, the transaction of 100 coins, so you can see that you receive the balance or no. Okay, then if the transaction is successful, then you can transfer the big amount. So I hope that video help you a lot. So please help and support my channel by donating some of the cryptocurrency. So, and please, if you like my video, then please like and subscribe my channel. And if you need that valuable information about that, about your cryptocurrency related issues, and let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you uh, by all the efforts I can make. So thank you guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay.